Store-bought mosquito candles cost $15 each and last only a few hours. Make your own for under $1 per candle using citronella oil and supplies you probably already have at home. Step 1. Gather your materials: soy or paraffin wax, citronella essential oil, candle wicks with metal bases, and empty mason jars or heat-safe containers. You'll need about 8 ounces of wax per candle. Step 2. Melt your wax using a double boiler method. Place wax in a bowl over simmering water, stirring occasionally until fully liquid. Heat to 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Step 3. Remove from heat and let cool for 2 to 3 minutes, then add 20 to 25 drops of citronella essential oil per 8 ounces of wax. Stir thoroughly for 1 minute to distribute the oil evenly. Step 4. Secure the wick in your jar using a wick sticker or clothespin to keep it centered. Then slowly pour the warm wax. Let it cool completely, about 2 to 4 hours, before trimming the wick to ½ inch. Pro tip: don't skip the cooling step. Pouring hot wax causes uneven texture and weak scent throw. Light your candle 15 minutes before sitting outside for maximum mosquito protection. What's your favorite outdoor bug solution? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more DIY projects. Visit Sikho.ai.